How to archive emails in Zoho Mail app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to tidy up your inbox without losing anything on Zoho Mail, which is by using the archive email function. First of all, launch open the Zoho Mail application on your device and make sure you're logged in. After you are done, scroll through your messages and find the emails you want to archive. Press and hold the email, and then, after it is selected, go to the bottom of the screen and you'll see a little bin kind of an icon right next to the trash icon where it shows a small tick in it. Tap on it and this will archive the email. After you've archived the email, it will be removed from your inbox. Now, whenever you need to find the email archived, you need to go to the top of the screen inside your inbox and look for the archived button. Tap on it, and all the email that has been archived will be displayed to you. If you ever want to unarchive the email and get it back to your inbox, just press and hold it and click on the archive button one more time. And once you get back to your inbox, you will see the email back again. So that's how you easily archive and unarchive an email on Zoho Mail. Archiving is a smart way to keep your inbox stress-free while keeping all your conversations safe and accessible. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.